about 2:38. I want to make this public at 3, but I'm finna go ahead and make it public now, so I need to head out. Just responded, they approved my video to go public, so we're about to make it public, which means yeah, when it's sponsored, you have to wait and get it approved. Like basically the company wants to see the video before you post the video for everybody else to see. That way if you got something missing out the description box, that kind of stuff, you can tweak it before it goes public, obviously, since it's like paid, if that makes sense. So I just made it public, it's live. All I do is come over here and I change it from where it says unlisted, meaning only the people with the link can view it. Then you hit save, so now y'all can see it. But that's not the thumbnail I want, so I need to change that real quick. Anyways, I'm gonna take y'all with me to run some errands as well.
In the top menu, your delivery information. This is an automated message from Royal Furniture. Your order will be delivered on Thursday, August 26, 2021. Please have your room cleared, clean, and ready for your delivery. To confirm, press 1. To call this room. To hear this message again, press 3.
I just pressed 1, it ain't doing nothing. I just pressed 1. Girl, okay, but did I confirm or not? I pressed confirm 3 times, y'all saw the number 1, right? My furniture comes to mine! Ooh, yay! I know y'all see that furniture, so you gonna keep seeing it until I get rid of it. Meaning until I wash my hair, because this is my ponytail. Your fave can never, but I do this. But I heard I am your fave, so I do this. Okay, so update, what went on in between? I just got Zaxby's in between. I got the wings and things for today, and I got me a salad for tomorrow. Okay, so they just text delivery, the delivery notification for Destiny. I'm tripping, why I just read my address out loud? Girl, edit that out. Ah. Click the link to confirm, period. Confirm a delivery, ah. Screenshot the confirmation in case somebody try to play me. In case somebody try to play me. Y'all can't even see me slapping my thigh like this side. In case somebody try to play me. It be hurting too, ooh. Girl, let me call Jerica back because I left her on hold. It's kind of talking about private stuff, so we're gonna be back. Okay, so I'm pulling up YouTube. I'm about to watch something. I'm gonna pick something while I do dishes. Oh, it'd be so many good options when all of your favorite YouTubers upload. Wait, what's the glare? It'd be so hard to decide because I try to, like, you know how you're multitasking while watching YouTube and you want to support everybody, and it's just like, okay, I got this much amount of downtime. I'm gonna just pick what I want to pick because YouTube marks where you left off at anyways. Okay, let's watch Catherine. Shout out to the home team. Hey, I know what I like when I stand here and when I stand here and do dishes. Look at my view while I do dishes. I can see the TV. If you're not new here, then y'all know. I mean, this is still my favorite thing, right? And so old me would do it like this because the TV would be behind me in the living room at the old house. Wait, that's my whole call log history. Y'all so nosy. I would prop it up like this and I'll be watching a YouTube video. And I don't like using lights in the daytime if I don't have to. It makes me feel wasteful. This is from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, somewhere like this. But if you've been watching my vlogs, it's not new. It came from the old house. Casabella, if I'm saying it correctly.
They wishing on me, I've been moving calm, so no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me, yeah.
Just got a package. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it scared me because I could see her through this little window right here, leaving it. Goodness, what's that heavy? Yeah, I'm gonna end up throwing these clothes out. I try not to throw out stuff when it's in perfectly good condition. Once you realize that you don't want it, you also want it out of the house. And so if you like end up just holding it too long on some I'm gonna give it to somebody type thing, I'm out of breath. If these are my clear shoe boxes, I'm about to be so happy. I was just kind of doing some cleaning around here. I am going to remember not to do too much to my face. Like, I couldn't really find, I think I showed you all how my drawers are. My camera is gonna adjust as I kind of move different rooms and things. Kind of what cameras do. I have to show you all, I think I showed you all the drawers. So I haven't started with the film room yet at all because getting cute and all that isn't my priority, doing makeup, da da da. Y'all gonna be like, she should have sprayed it outside before bringing it in. Da da da. Like, I could have just not filmed me spraying it off camera. Y'all be so funny sometimes. Anywho, what am I looking for? So yeah, I can't find all of my makeup, right? So I had to improvise with what I could find. And obviously that's all I need. And I was gonna like go makeup shopping, and Jerica was talking about going makeup shopping, and clearly I just don't, whatever is lost, I don't need it. Whatever fell to the far back of the drawer, I don't need it. I'm thinking these are my shoe boxes. Okay, edit out the previous saying, Destiny. It just showed your addresses. I was getting ready to leave the house to run some errands and get ready to start my cutoff vlogging point. Yay! They're here. I was actually going to get 12 to try them out first. I don't gotta lift them both out. They're exactly the same. I was going to get 12 to try them out first, make sure I like them, but I added it to my cart a second time. Didn't even know that I did. So I got 24 of them instead. So now we gotta hope that we like them in person, I should say. Cause I don't even think I have that many shoes that need to go in these. Let's see, come on, let's go do it, let's do it. Furniture comes tomorrow. And on the call, they did say to make sure that the area was clean. So I'm probably just gonna move this to the living room because the things that are over here, some of these things go in the drawers or either on top of like the dresser and stuff. And it's just like I can't even unpack it because I don't have anywhere to put it. Let's open these. I talk too much. I'm actually about to go to IKEA, and I was watching some like tips, videos of things people say that you need from IKEA because I don't currently have a list. I saw Kyra with these in one of her vlogs, and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. I was like, I'm gonna get these when I move. I got a phone call. Hold on, y'all. Hello. Hello, sir. And before I get, someone recommended this for the carpet, so I also got this as well. Oh, it's like closed. Hold on. 2-pack of the lavender vanilla. I know I could have got this in the store, but if I could just place an order for things online, I think y'all know that about me by now. That's just what I'm gonna do and just wait to get it in 2 days. Do y'all know if there's a way I could like tweak my name on my Amazon packages? Like, could I put any old fake name on there or something? Or would it have to be my name? Like when I get stuff delivered and people be like, oh, snaps, I watch her on YouTube. This the house it's going to? Don't judge me for thinking like that. If you're a YouTuber, then you probably think like that too. You just probably ain't say it out loud. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. So start hyper-lapse and play some music for this.
Dedication.
Yay!
To the independent woman. To the one working hard for hers, this is just my way of letting you know. I see you. And I brought a friend along to help me show my appreciation the right way.
Okay, step 1, I'm back. I keep getting phone calls. Oh, it says, or you can scan the QR code to watch the installation video. That's convenient. And I know how to use the QR code on my new iPhone. You just open the camera. I'm just kidding, y'all already got iPhones, y'all know.
Slick Rick, ladies.
Like in the shower, and I can hang like my towel and my loofah and things on it, but they only have these. They don't have that one. IKEA is out of everything. That's crazy. Wonder if I should get this. How much is she for me to not know if I want it for sure? 2-pack. It's only $5.99. I'll give it a try. Okay, so it's much later. I think it's about 10:30 10:51. Why was my phone just green? Who was it calling? And if y'all follow me on Instagram, then y'all just heard me saying, my bed coming tomorrow, my bed coming tomorrow. So I built 5 of these. I don't think I got footage yet of me showing how I've built it, but I got 19 to go. So trust me, y'all are gonna see. Y'all don't never help with anything. Y'all just always just sit and watch. On hyperlapse, y'all just be sitting and just watching. Like, do you want to help? No, I'm kidding. To make it easy on myself, because I'm ready to go to bed, I'm just gonna move everything. I'm gonna slide it all in here along that other side of this. As far as the decor goes, it's just a matter of unpacking things to figure it all out. So that's the only time I want to say that. I don't want to say that again. Decor. There go a dime. I don't keep changing my purse, just the quarters that I just got today. Oh my God, I can't pick it up. I can't pick it up. Oh God, acrylic nail problems. What a productive day. Tired. You hear me? Tired. Alright, so I was able to fit 4 canned drinks in this one. Okay, yeah, no. 4 of the vanilla frappuccinos, and I was able to fit this one in the front. 4 of these Snapples, 4 Pepsis. This is the 12-ounce bottles, and then I only have 1 bottle of water, so I'm just gonna assume 4 fits in each one of these. Check me out. Okay, so I'm trying to do, oh God, the door scared me. I'm trying to do this Instagram reel. I cannot get this last clip right. On the last clip, all I gotta do is reach in, grab the drink, and it's supposed to be like pow. It's the boom, bop, bop, bada bop, boom, pow. And the pow, I gotta try to grab the drink out and still show the dispenser at the same time. I'm struggling. This is the last clip. Here we go. Wish me luck. I'm gonna put y'all right here so y'all can watch. Boom, bop, bam, bada bop, boom. Okay, I'm gonna grab the Pepsi since it's in the middle. Ready. I hope that's good enough. This is my last time having to be in the guest bedroom. I mean, not having to be, because I still want to like decorate and stuff in here, so we're obviously going to come in here again. I'm on the phone, by the way. But as far as like sleeping and lounging, this is my last time having to be in here. These are my original curtains. I think I may take them downstairs. They're not like neatly hung or anything. I just kind of, y'all know how I've been doing just to unpack stuff. I put them up there like that. But I think I'm going to take them downstairs. Oh, I'm burping. To my bedroom and see how they look tomorrow. Cookies. And still haven't hung this yet because I want to make sure when I like hang stuff that it's exactly where I want it to be. Not having to like redo anything. Just where I be at whenever I feel like lounging or laying down or something. Because I don't literally have nowhere to lay downstairs because we don't have our couch yet either. Why am I vlogging while we talking on the phone? Matt? I'm finna go. Somebody talking about marriage on the phone. Bye.